The Windows Memory Diagnostic tool is a built-in feature available in the latest Windows 10 and 11 operating systems. It can conduct a RAM test to detect possible problems with your PC's memory. Here are the 3 ways that you can access this tool on your PC. In the Start menu search box, enter Windows Memory. The Windows Memory Diagnostic app will appear as the first result. Click it to open. Second, on your keyboard, press the Windows logo key plus R to open the Run Application function. Enter mdsched to open the Windows Memory Diagnostic app. The third way is through Settings. In the Start menu, select Settings or press Windows logo plus I. Under the Settings window, enter Memory in the search box. Select Diagnose your computer's memory problems to access the Windows Memory Diagnostic app. Take a note. Before you run Windows Memory Diagnostic app, be sure to save all the content you're working on and exit out of any currently running programs. Once that's set, begin by selecting Restart Now and check for problems recommended. Your PC system then will reboot and start the Windows Memory Diagnostic tool, performing a thorough analysis of the computer's RAM for issues. Once the test is complete, the system will restart, displaying the test results in the notification area. This covers different ways of running Windows Memory Diagnostic tool. If you found this tutorial is helpful, please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe on our YouTube channel. Thank you very much for watching and have a great day.